Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add web extensions in Microsoft Edge. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So Microsoft Edge does have native extensions as well as having extensions that are compatible with Google Chrome because they both share the same Chromium code base as their basic building blocks, and Chrome extensions do work in Microsoft Edge. Old versions of Microsoft Edge, like the old pre-Chromium builds of Edge, would not work with Chrome extensions, but new ones do. So you could go to the Chrome web store. However, I usually would suggest going to the Edge web store though first. So in order to access that, you just would open up Edge and then select the menu icon up at the top right. Go ahead and just left click on that, and you would select the extensions button. Select versus open Microsoft Edge add-ons. And then you can go ahead and search the add-ons field for a specific extension. Otherwise, you can select one on the right side here. You can just go ahead and search for a random item in here if you choose to do so. I'm going to select a Microsoft extension or add-on just for the sake of demonstration purposes. And I'm going to select the Get button. Once you've accepted the extension permissions it's requesting, you will select Add Extension. And that's pretty much it, guys, at that point. And if you want to search for Chrome Web Store into Google search, just go to chrome.google.com. Just going to go ahead and open that up here. And if you actually had an extension in here, you can just go ahead and select it or search for it. And you can select the Get button, which you can notice will allow you to actually install Chrome extensions into Microsoft Edge. So pretty neat feature there, guys. And you can see all the extensions should show up under extensions here. And if you click underneath Manage Extensions, you should see even more details here as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.